The first law of Newton is also called law of inertia. An object at rest tends to remain at rest. An object in motion tends to move at constant speed in a straight line unless acted upon by an unbalanced external force. Inertia means that the object's motion will stay constant in terms of speed and direction. So for my example, I am going to roll this ball. Okay, so as you can see, from here to here, the ball is rolling in a constant speed and same direction. But when the ball reaches that part, which is unbalanced, the ball reduces its speed or stops. Here is another example. If we are riding the bus, and if the bus is not moving, the person is also at rest. But if the bus moves, the person will move also, like that. The second law of Newton is the law of acceleration. An object acceleration is directly proportional to the net force acting on it, and is inversely proportional to the object's mass. What is net force? Net force is the combined force of all individual forces acting on an object. In the law of acceleration, we're talking about acceleration, force, and mass. The acceleration and the force are proportional. For example, we have a tissue roll here. If we exert less force on the tissue roll, the acceleration is also low, like this. But if we exert more force on the tissue roll, the acceleration is greater or high, like this. It also says that the acceleration is inversely proportional to an object's mass. So my example is a volleyball ball, which has heavier mass than the small ball, which has less mass. So in my example, the higher the mass, the lesser the acceleration. And if the object has less mass, it has a higher acceleration. The third law of Newton is also called the law of interaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, if you push a ball downward, it will hit the floor, and then the floor will give force to the ball, and then it will push it upwards. Another example is that an airplane moves forward because the force of the engine moves backwards. If we row a boat, we row backwards, but the boat moves forward. That's all. Thank you.